Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is how Apple's next generation premium flagship will look like. Today, a new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max first look hands-on video leaked. This is how the new iPhone looks. According to the latest available data, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max will get massive camera upgrades and smartphone characteristics. Let's dive into the video for more phone specifications, design changes and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. From speaker grills to camera module, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is revealed in its full glory. We already know a lot thanks to a regular stream of leaks, but there is still a lot we don't know. But the newest hands-on video that is going around online offered us one of the best looks at what could be the iPhone 17 Pro Max. From what we can make out from the video, this could be the thickest iPhone Apple has ever made. The video, which was published on X by tipster Majinbu Official, shows what looks like a dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. While dummy units are not real gadgets, they are used by tipsters or case makers to determine the approximate size of the real device before it goes official. Many times they end up being extremely close to the final product, especially when they show up this late in the game. Big camera module and chunkier design. The phone in the video is seen having a big camera module expanding horizontally, and the overall design also looks chunky. 3 cameras can be seen on one side of the module, while the flashlight and LiDAR scanner are aligned on the other side. While this doesn't reveal much about the phone's innards, this subtle change in layout and the size of the phone could mean that Apple might be adding bigger sensors or making internal changes to the design for internal enhancements. A prior leak supports this, saying that the upcoming model might be 8.725mm thick, which is thicker than the current flagship's 8.25mm. Apple plans to give its 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max models 12GB of RAM, the most ever in an iPhone. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are getting a redesigned frame, with aluminum replacing titanium. The full lineup is expected to get improved cooling systems, with the iPhone 17 Pro Max exclusively boasting a vapor chamber plus graphite sheet. Basic models will use A19 chip, while the Pro models will get the Apple A19 Pro chipset. Apple expects to take the wraps off its iPhone 17 series, which is the next generation of iPhones, in September of this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.